Putting the milk in the fridge. Put in the dirty clothes for me, please. Put in the dirty clothes for me now. We are playing. No, oh no.
Mom. Wait, what?
And my card is this.
What card does she have?
They can't see. You can't see my card. Look at her shoes. She got, let's see, right here.
Okay. I wanna
Moana.
Kevin.
Then Elsa and Anna. She got the little things for her shoes. Okay. She wants to show you, look. Oh, yeah. Okay. Take one. Woo! Go, Looney, go.
Oh, no.
Okay, hold her paws. Hold her paws. Woo! Yeah, woo! Yay!
Head the camera, Lulu.
Hi. Oh. What happened?
She's not moving.
She's not moving. Why is she not moving? She likes it right there. Look at this one. Drinking out of this. That she won't allow us to put it back. It's Scooby and... No. Let her finish it. The milk does not go anywhere. Yay! I think she gave up. I think Looney gave up because, like, she's freaking tired. Look at... You're so pretty, Loon.
She looks at you.
You're so pretty, Loon. She looks like an evil cat with the light on. No, I'm serious. If you would see her on my side, she looks so evil. Serious. Amy, when did you bring it home? Oh, Looney. You're not that evil, are you? Look at her eyes are amazing. Open them. Open them. Open them. Good girl. Yes, sweet girl. Okay, I'll turn off the light. It bothers you. I get it. See? Okay. Operation putting the milk in the fridge starts in a few minutes. Amy! Amy, come here. I need you to put this in the dirty clothes for me.
You should know that there's no dirty clothes because I did the clothes. You should know that.
Well, listen to me. Listen. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
I did the clothes.
Come here.
You lazy butt.
Come here. Come here. Come here. You're missing out the... Put in the dirty clothes for me, please. Put in the dirty clothes for me now. Come on, get it? So you can put in the dirty clothes. Come on. Put in the dirty clothes. Go. Put in the dirty clothes now. Go. Get up. Go. Go, 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 go. The things. Oh my god. Okay. She's putting the dirty clothes in the fridge. Okay. But bring me back that thing and awesome. And put the blankets inside the washer. Huh? You can do that, huh? Good job, Zoey. We are playing Uno.
Mom. Wait, what?
And my card is
What
this.
color does she have?
They can't see. You can't see my card. This one. So let's see who wins. I have one card. And this is the card.
We'll tell you our colors.
No. Come on.
I already put mine.
No, you're next.
I already did. We're waiting for you.
Oh. Here.
We're watching Nick
Film this.
out of Cabo.
Mia.
He's
I
sad.
know. It is so sad.
It's because like, people are judging him because he's gay.
Uh-huh.
That's normal. People are harassing him. He's
See, but
still a natural
everybody
human.
is loved in so many different ways, so it really doesn't matter if you're straight, gay, or, you know, anything like that. Yeah, we are all people, right, Mia?
Yes. He feels like he's
Film
gonna
this.
get killed. No, I just blocked her.
Oh, my turn. I have three cards. Okay, 2. Who's next? Reverse. You're next, Emma.
Wait, can I pick a... Oh, mine.
I don't know. And then these are my cards. See? Right here.
Just being like H2O delirious.
I know you are.
Oh, the color. Did it get me?
She got
Did it get
a
me?
wild card 4.
Oh, did it get me? Yes!
If it got
It got Mom.
So I have to pick 4?
Yeah, it didn't get me.
Okay. The color is
Yellow.
yellow.
How do you say yellow in Spanish?
After I had to pick 4.
How much?
4 cards. Look at, you still have cards.
Oh, look at this. I
Wait,
have 3
which-
cards.
How many do you have to say when you say uno?
You only say, when you have
Say
only
it.
1 card, you say uno.
Wait.
Uno.
At my class.
No, but
at
you
my
have
class,
more cards.
At my class.
I
Wait.
will make you have more.
Wait.
Okay.
At my, if you,
Oops.
I'm trying to talk. Okay,
This is
if you
Hey.
if you have 1 card, you have to get 4 cards. Mom, if you have 1 card, if someone said Uno, you have to get 4 cards.
Okay, go.
This card.
Okay, go.
Okay.
No, it's hard to film and it's hard to film and vlog at the same time while playing. Shh. Come on. Hey, we gotta finish the game.
Okay.
5, you go.
Go.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, at least I have my 1 card.
I
Go,
know.
Mom, go.
No. You won.
I went through 20 times in my classroom.
Okay, let's start again. How many cards do I have to give out?
7.
No, I do it.
I do it.
Hey, ooh, wild.
We do not argue right now. If you argue, oh my gosh, you're gonna have a big snap.
1, 2, 3.
Do it louder so she can wake up.
No, I'll give you a big snap.
What are you doing? It's a fidget spinner. What color is it? It's a blue ball. Good job. I don't know what that is. Drinks?
It's a table.
Oh.
I'm full.
It's a donut? I know. It's so pretty. So Zoe, can you, let's see, can you tell me what colors they are?
No.
Blue ball. Where did the ball go? I don't know. Where? Let's see.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Can you say thank you for watching and all that good
Thumbs
stuff?
up.
Thumbs up. Good
It's a
job.
blue ball.
Wait. Boop. Thumbs up. Wait, Daddy. All right. That is awesome.
Bye, Daddy.
Oh, bye-bye.